Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In the former lesson we talked about the main elements of a website design. The shapes, the text, the icons, and the images. Those are the four elements of a website. In this lesson we will talk about the shapes. I will delete everything except the shape. And here we are. As you see, we have a rectangle in here. Shapes are indispensable for website, and you will see that we use them so much in our design. And as you see here, we have so many shapes in this design. We have rectangles in here, we have boxes, we have everything. Circle. Now I will show you how to create a shape. For example, let's say I want to make a shape like this one. All we have to do is to go to this tool right here, and as you see, we have many shapes to choose from. We have a rectangle, rounded rectangle, we have a circle, we have everything. I choose the first one, then all I do is to click and drag. And I change the shape color from here. This shape is what we use to design a slider, and I will explain how to do that later in the course. Now if I want to draw a button like this one right here, I go to the same tool and I change the radius right here, and here we are. Now we have a rounded rectangle. I'll make it 50 pixel. And here we are. I change its color from here, and here we are. From here I can control and change the frame and the inside color. Like this. And I can change the frame color from here. So this is how we make a button like this one. And here you can control the size of the frame. Now how about this shape right here? As you see, you can see it has rounded edges. All I have to do is to go to the same tool, same thing, rounded rectangle. I change the radius, then I click and drag like this. Now we move to the circles. Like this one right here. All I have to do is to come to this tool and I choose the circle tool. We have the matrix in here. We need to make it asymmetrical. And here we are. So this is the shapes tool. Now we go here to make this box appear, the layers, double click on the shape layer, and you can change the color from here. This way of changing color apply on shapes coming from this tool, because as you see, if I double click on this layer here, I won't get the color option. It needs to be done from this tool. Then we can double click on it and get the color. All of these shapes here we create using the same tool. this tool right here. I make another shape like this. I give it a random color. And here we are. As you see, this box here is empty from the inside. And the way to do that is that I give it a white color like this. I can click here and I can change the color as I want. And of course you can change the frame color from here. Now let's say that I want to make an image inside this circle right here. It's very simple. Like this one right here. As you see, the image is inside the box. All I have to do is to bring the image to the design page like this. This is the image that I'm going to put inside the circle. And I bring the image on top of the shape and right click on the image layer. Then I go to create clip and mask like this, and here we are. The image is inside the circle. Same thing for all other shapes. Just make sure that the shape is colored, not blank. You can't add an image to a blank shape. You need to give it a color, white or whatever color you like. I put the image layer on top like this. Then I put the image on top of the shape and I go here, then I click right here to adjust the image. Right click, then we go to create clip and mask, and the image is inside the shape. Now I click here to remove the image. Right click, then release clip and mask, and the image is released. Now if I want to make similar shapes to this one right here, to make the head in black or in any other color. So we give this shape a color. In this case it's white because we can't leave it blank. Now I go here to draw another shape like this. Then I give it any color, for example, we'll give it a red color. Then right click, and the same thing, go to create clip and mask. And here we are, it's just like this shape right here. Of course you can change its color if you want. Same thing in here. I draw a shape, right click, then we go to create clip and mask, and here we are. I hope that you understood what we did here, because we will be doing this a lot in the coming lessons of this course. So that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.